Inspector. Thank you. Thank you. Where is the woman from?
So the starter is ready now. Here they go. Commencement of facility of the 2018.
Even 3 kilometers, not something.
Official, come on here! Come on,
Once again, we appeal to the spectators to remain calm as the competitors arrive. In the same vein, we appeal to the medical personnel to be at the large. We appeal to Arena Marshal to be at the large. And we enjoying
from the stand. Ladies and gentlemen, can we welcome once again the Deputy Governor of Edo State, the hitting those ends together. Nice one, you're welcome, sir. That is a big challenge. We just concluded the 10-kilometer race, strictly for Okpekpe race. Wonderful, wonderful. We appreciate you, sir. That was an excellent one. Promise that he's going to do it, and he did it.
In this country and migrate legally. representing our country. There are many of us that decided one time and the other to even run for other countries because other countries see our athletes better than theirs. And there are many of them running and playing different athletes, sporting events for other countries, including football. So when you run, when I run for it, is to encourage our youth to know that there is ability and there is prospect, and you can legally migrate when you go into sports.
Hey, Iris.
Your Excellency, you left me in the dust. Your Excellency, you left me in the dust.
The 6th edition, as you know, was the first race after the race was upgraded from silver to bronze. Therefore, we had to put in a lot more, a lot more processes, to ensure that the standards, the silver standard is maintained. You could see that it was broadcast live. That means the infrastructure to carry out the live broadcast had to be perfected. We also had to perfect the timing for the race, in addition to improving security for the athletes and the other infrastructure required to maintain your silver status.
Okay, another question that I want to ask is that what will be the upgrade next? Because what we are actually looking at, you're looking at being a good level of race. So what are the things that we put in place to make it a good level race?
Well, I am not into the technicalities of the race, as you know, but I guess that there are global standards, there are certain international standards that you must meet, and those need to be relayed to us by the International Federation for Athletics.
Okay, what are you going to build on coming up next year for this race?
I guess we need to just improve the publicity. We need to improve sponsorships. We need to hopefully by the time we're having this race next year, the road leading to this place, which is the federal road, will have been completed. So we should be able to get a lot more traffic into Okpekpe next year for the race and subsequent years.
Thank you.